Hello everyone, this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and here's the box it comes in, and the covering, and there's the phone itself. Looking sharp, looking sharp. And we have ourselves the instructions and a glass protector, and we got the phone case that comes with it, as well as a phone stand. Just what I need. So how about we get this phone set up? We also got the charger that comes with it. Nice and small. And we got the covering that protects the phone. And finally, we got the pick used to put the SIM card in, as well as the instructions that goes with it. Let's let this phone charge up real quick so that we can get it set up so far. Now that we got this started, let's see. English, this is the US, so click that. Of course, you need a SIM card to use the network data on here. We get to choose what we get to accept on here.